Assalamu alaikum, welcome to Come Iftar with me. I'm Chef Shazia and today I'm making a tiramisu with a twist. It is a Persian-inspired rose and cardamom infused tiramisu. To make the rose and cardamom tiramisu, I've got some freshly brewed espresso, I've got some fresh whipping cream, I've got some cardamom spice, rose and pistachio petals, some icing sugar, some rose water, and some cream cheese. Lastly, I've got some boudoir sponge fingers. They're pretty similar to the traditional lady fingers used in tiramisu, but actually just into a rectangular sponge cushion shaped for this dish. So over here, I've got my espresso that has been brewed and has just slightly cooled down. I'm going to infuse it with some cardamom spice and give it that little bit of a whisk. And immediately the coffee is full of flavor of that exotic cardamom. To add a little sweetness into this dish, I'm going to add in some icing sugar. The icing sugar and the fresh cream is whipped together until it doubles in volume. My whipped cream has now doubled in volume and is really lovely and fluffy. I'm going to now add in my cream cheese or mascarpone cream. I'm going to now whisk all these ingredients up again. It is now time to add in the rose flavored syrup. This is now ready to plate up. So firstly, you're going to add in the boudoir biscuits into the coffee so it starts soaking up that cardamom and the coffee. I'm now going to layer my cream cheese. Going to add the sponge finger on top. Add the cream cheese on top. Final layer of the cream cheese. And then you want to spread it evenly over the top. For the last step, all this tiramisu needs is some dry rose petals and some pistachios. So scatter the pistachios and the dry rose petals on top. And here we have a tiramisu with a twist. It's a rose and cardamom flavored tiramisu. The espresso with the cardamom and the rose water in the cream cheese makes it extra special, especially for Ramadan. Enjoy.